Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this little Tjay Drumkit 2021. It's crazy, so many sounds in here, So there's 808s, there's claps, there's hats, there's kicks, there's midis, there's percussion, there's snares, and there's a vocal shot. You know, everything has been nicely processed as always, man. I know how we do it on this channel, man. We always kill it. So yeah, I would like to mention that if you haven't checked out the beat, the one I made using this drum kit, I recommend that you go check that out. It's crazy. So you know, let's support each other out here, man. We're brothers and sisters. So just go check it out. Tell me what you think. Because we always trying to get better out here, man. That's the way, man. Trying to get better. Improve every single step. So yeah, before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So I'm gonna start off first with the midis as always. Then we'll head back to the rest of the stuff. So let's start off first with the first MIDI. So as you can see here, I've already written the BPM for you here, so you don't have to kind of move around with that. So this one here is on 85 BPM. This one is on 84 BPM, 84. So yeah, but you can use whatever BPM you like. I just thought maybe if I write it down here, it would just make it work more easier. So yeah. So let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI, which is 85 BPM. All right, let's go ahead and hear that. So let me just change the BPM here to 85. All right. That was the first MIDI. Second MIDI. Next MIDI. The last MIDI. So yeah, man, yeah, that's it for the midis. Only not so many midis, but enough to give you a little bit of inspiration. I give you that little bit of push. We always need it. I know I need it. So yeah, so let's go ahead and let's go ahead and jump to the rest of the stuff. So let's start off first with the 808. So the claps. The hats. So the kicks. So some of these kicks have some reverb. Like this one here. It's kind of delayed a little bit, but there's some reverb in there. You know, just give it that live. This one has some reverb as well. Yeah. So the percussion. The snares. The vocal shot. So yeah, man, yeah, that's it. That's it for the kit, man. It's crazy, isn't it? So link in the description as always, man. And if you get any problems downloading this, just hit me up on my number, or you can get to me through my email. And I'm sorry for the guys who are trying to download the reggaeton drum kit. I'm sorry, I seem to be, I was a little bit busy. I wasn't checking my email, so I didn't even know what the hell was happening. So until like I saw the notification. So I'm sorry, I forgot to change the part where you supposed to be not restricted, but it's already changed now. So you can go ahead and download the Drumkit. It's okay now. You can download it. So I'll just let you know. So that's it, man. So enjoy the kit. Make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye. Stay safe. Namaste.